Hello viewers, in this short tutorial I am going to explain how to turn off autoplay on YouTube. As you can see, all of this video is playing automatically without my clicking. And now I am going to show how to solve it. So like the video and keep watching. So at first click on your profile icon on the top right corner and now click time watched option. And then scroll down and you can see autoplay on mobile or tablet. Turn off it. This is the first step, and then go back and then click on setting option. Now click on general setting and you can see playback in feeds. Press on it and now select off and press done, and now your autoplay is turned off. Here you can see this video is not playing without my clicking. So that is how to turn off autoplay on YouTube. Please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.